Christ Royal Family Youth Ministries presents 2025 Youth Camp Day of Purpose Discovery with a theme empowering the youth to find their purpose in life. Date the 19th of April 2025. Time 8 a.m. Venue Christ Royal Family International Church, Iyesi Ota, Ogun State, Nigeria.
Hello guys, I want to specially invite you all for the Christ Royal Family Youth Camp happening on the 19th Saturday, April 2025. Happening live at the Christ Royal Family Campground, Iyesi Ota. If you are a youth in Christ Royal Family Church, wherever you fellowship, just join us for this amazing time. You're going to love it. I'm specially inviting you, and I also want to encourage you to be part of what we are doing. See you there. God bless you.
Date the 19th of April 2025. Time 8 a.m.
Invited to this year's Easter retreat program holding at our campground, Monarch University. Come and be blessed. It's going to be happening from the 17th and 18th. That's for the camp program. The 19th is going to be our youth program, Finding Your Purpose. Then 20th is going to be the general Thanksgiving program. Come and be blessed.